Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Today we will talk about the SQL Server maintenance jobs. Okay, so normally we have seen a couple of jobs failure alerts, and while checking the troubleshoot, we found that there is no issue, but still jobs is failing. So we'll see the reason behind on it. Okay, so before starting the session, I will request to each and everyone who are newly joined on channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share. Hope you are checking the playlist of SQL Server DBA, more than 160 videos which can help you to all the day-to-day activities. I have covered a couple of interviews questions as well which can help you. If you are getting help, please share to others also, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, I have seen a lot of people not subscribed yet, but they are watching the videos. Okay, so please do subscribe. Let me talk about this maintenance task scenarios. Okay, so I'm going to explain briefly the reason behind the job failure issues and alerts. Okay, so sometimes we have seen a couple of maintenance jobs. Okay, so normally whoever created the jobs either through the maintenance task or a particular script, you need to be focused on the scheduling the jobs timing. Okay, sometimes we have just created the jobs, but we have not seen either in the same time other jobs are also configured or running, and that can be a cause of that particular job failure. So you need to arrange a time slot during the off business hours if you are scheduling a jobs for the database maintenance. Either it could be backup, index, rebuild index, index optimized. So you need to focus on the time slot. It should not, any job should not be overlap. Okay, so based on the capability, how much time it will take, you can choose a scheduling slot for a particular jobs. Definitely it will resolve the issue for the normal, or if you are not scheduling the slot, then definitely if it will overlap any jobs, it will fail. Okay, if it is in any dependency, definitely it will fail. So make sure choose a particular slot for each and every individual jobs, then only it will process successfully completed. So that was the agenda for today, to give the message. Whenever you create any maintenance jobs, be focused and check whether the all jobs slots, scheduling slots, then only we can configure, or we can adjust the slot. If you want to run particular jobs prior, then you can change the schedule on existing jobs, and then you can do a testing. Okay, otherwise if you blindly creating the jobs, definitely it will fail. Okay, so be focused while creating a maintenance task, while choosing a slot, be focused on that. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you liked it, and in the next video I will create all the jobs for the database maintenance, whatever the top jobs it's really required for any SQL Server instance, I will do in the next lab session. Thank you.